So a question that I get asked a lot is, what do I need to start producing music, to start recording myself? And I think a lot of times people think that they need some really fancy setups. I mean, let's face it, you look on television, you look at documentaries, you see these crazily outfitted studios. And the truth is that sometimes you do need a really big studio, but for most people that are starting out, some really, really basic tools are the best way to get going. So what do I mean by basic tools? It could be something as simple as GarageBand or another simple recording program. Even nowadays, some mobile apps like some tablet and iPad apps are a great way to get rolling. You're better off learning a few really good tools extremely well, pushing the limitations of those tools as far as you can before moving on to the next one. So some very basic things somebody might start with might be a microphone, a little piece of computer software, we mentioned GarageBand or something like that, and maybe a laptop computer or even a mobile device. Begin making some rudimentary recordings, sequencing a few instruments, and then only when you're ready to exhaust those tools, when you've gone as far as you can with them, add something new to your arsenal. I think that it's actually an essential thing for our times because it is so accessible to at least be able to do some basic recording and some basic production. I think it does two things. Number one, it empowers you to actually take control of some of your own career and to actually take control of some of the production process. You may find you actually like it and you go very far with it. Even if you're somebody who's just going to get into it very, very basically, I think the other benefit is that it allows you to communicate much more effectively with other producers, other engineers, and other professional musicians.